I wore steel toes.
That wore steel toes.
Oh, okay. And I wore the stinky J's.
Good. Alright, bro, what just happened?
We just fucking like blew like 3 fuses.
Well, like last time I used a trailer, the lights weren't working. Oh yeah, I forgot I have a trailer now. Yeah, you can see the trailer. Fuses must have been blown and we spent like literally 30 minutes trying to figure out the fuse situation. I just stole 2 fuses from random parts of my car to be able to get out of this parking lot because they wouldn't let me leave until the lights work. Now we're gonna go to Canadian Tire and replace those 2 fuses.
And Tim's.
3 fuses actually, and then go to Tim's and then go to work. What a shit start to the day.
Those like couches and
Fuses.
fuses.
This idiot begged me for 25 cents to get candy from the machine. Let me see it. Let me see it.
They look good, come on.
That's what.
God damn, this guy's brother came through.
Bro, what the hell?
I actually really like them.
So, can I try some candy?
Yeah, now you're hating?
Give me some.
Now you want some?
Bro, fuck you, it's my money.
No, your mouth is nasty.
Okay, so we fucked up and we already started. We forgot to start recording. So this is where we're at now. As you can see, Bricky Boys. We've already pulled all that out. I'm filling them up. Let me just go downstairs and show you. So down here, as you can see, the pile of bricks that we had going, it's almost gone.
Oh wow, actually looks really good.
Yeah, so I'm basically lifting them. We're putting them into this garbage can, rolling it over here once it's full, stacking it out the window, and then he's stacking in the truck. So we made
It's
some
not
good
breathable
progress.
down here.
And that's why I'm wearing a mask down here. It's too dusty down here for the camera. Screw that. Yeah, look at the camera already. It's so dusty. Ah, fuck.
Speak to YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
Master Parker Ian. Six-pack now.
Feel like you have a 6-pack now?
Yeah.
Okay, so truck is completely loaded, fully to the teats. It is slammed to the ground. Like this is level. Holding the camera level. God damn. Alrighty, well, we're gonna hopefully not crash on the way there.
Yeah. So YouTube, we're now at the dump.
Yeah.
There's garbage everywhere.
Nah. Yeah, I can. Okay, we're all done now. That's all the garbage. Trailer's empty. We gotta get out of here. It's gross here. It stinks. There's water spilling on us. We're dusty. Ryan's a stinky man. Let's do it.
Okay, we're going back out the dump, and Ian has the holy paper that says the weight of the car. I'm guessing 1250, like 12,000.
Okay. This only shows me how much the garbage was, not the entire truck.
Oh, okay.
So just the garbage. How much?
Like 5
what?
1,437.
Okay. So it costed me $200 to dump that.
Yeah.
And it was a total of 3,439 pounds of dump. Below 3,000 pounds, but it was still below the weight.
Holy shit, bro, that shit go hold, bro.
Still below the weight capacity. Now to go get an appraisal for my new car, which you guys haven't seen yet, and then also go to DMV. So let's do that. You ready?
Now on our way to the DMV to get the solar bear. I'm looking at myself in the camera. Want to talk to YouTube or no?
Can you give a quick tour of the car as we're getting in?
Okay. Well, there's a solar bear. Unfortunately, the car is automatic. I actually really like it.
It's not automatic, by the way.
Yeah. He put a manual shift boot on there. Imagine having to put a manual shift boot on the car. Oh. Yeah, see, shifting into park.
Yo, quick update. We're out of service Ontario. I paid $800 today in fucking dumb shit. But we are in, it is now fully licensed Solera. We drove here legally, technically. Nobody knows that. We are driving. He's driving, actually.
Clutch plate's nice.
Yeah, it's nice, eh?
It's actually really
First
good
impressions so far as you backed up?
Clutch plate's really good. I like the shifter. I like how tight it is.
Tight like your mom?
What the hell, dude? Ah.